Hey everyone, welcome back to BitesWellness. Today, we're getting into chocolate moist and fudgy cake like the ones at the Cheesecake Factory famous for Linda's Fudge Cake. Chili's in USA and Ladurée originates from France. The closest recipe is the traditional cake when cocoa powder from the Americas was added way back 17th century. And trust me, this is a game changer. Let's break down the steps. Here's a pro tip. Use cake flour instead of all-purpose flour to create a more tender crumb, and use vegetable oil instead of butter. Maintain liquid at room temperature, helping the cake maintain a soft texture. Let's get cooking. Let's prepare 250 grams of chopped dark chocolate for healthy options in a clear bowl. The finished cake sugar content depends on the cacao amount the chocolate you're using. In another bowl, add 4 eggs slightly beaten. Prepare and heat the water in the saucepan until it boils. Once done, transfer the half into another bowl for the egg and the other half for the chocolate. Once the chocolate is melted, add 80 grams of unsalted butter. Add 60 grams of sugar. Add a half teaspoon of salt, mix it well. If this video helpful, please subscribe, hit that like button, give a thumbs up, and share my BitesWellness channel. Your support means the world to me. Now let's continue. Let's prepare our chocolate batter or mixture. We need 100 ml of heavy cream. You can also use fresh cream. Split into 3 portions and add slowly. Whisk until smooth. Then let's add the beaten eggs into 3 batches. Add the eggs gradually to avoid bubbling. Add 1 tablespoon, 5 grams, all-purpose flour. Sieve the all-purpose flour into the batter and mix until well combined. Pour the chocolate batter into the mold with lining baking sheets of parchment paper. Use a baking pan or tin-sized 15.5 cm x 9 cm x 6.5 cm. For 20 minutes, let's bake at 180 degrees Celsius. At least 8 hours stored in the refrigerator. Once the cake is cooled, remove it from the fridge. Sprinkle and dust with cocoa powder for a lovely touch. If you slightly heat the knife and cut it, the cross-section is cut beautifully. And there you have it, a chocolate moist and fudgy cake that's as good as the Cheesecake Factory famous for Linda's fudge cake. Chili's in USA and La Durée originates from France. So yummy! The moist chocolate cake that are smothered in a glossy chocolate fudge frosting. I hope you enjoy making these as much as I did. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and finding what works for you. Here's one pro tip. Add moisture-infusing ingredients like sour cream, buttermilk, or applesauce can infuse moisture into the cake. The acidity in buttermilk also helps break down gluten, resulting in a moist and soft cake. I am sure you've enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe, like, and share Bites Wellness. See you in my next video.